Thank you all for coming. I have a $1,000 Robux gift card for whoever can survive the longest with this cute little puppy.
Yeah, so easy.
No problem. Let's go. Mike Ferguson's not afraid of anything.
Oh, we see it. I love you. Come here, little guy.
Topper, I don't have a good feeling about this. On second thought, I don't even like Roblox.
I'm the world's strongest man. I have no fear. Let's go!
We'll see about that. 3, 2, 1, go!